This is too hot for me.
Noodle's room, Gerante. This man took off his shirt, bro. Come on, bro.
Rico, get us some ice, please.
Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Noodle's room. I know I haven't been posting, but we are back. I am doing a collab with Gerante TV with my dog Wendy, period. Today we're going to be doing you already read the title, so go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, because it's about to go down. I'm gonna let everybody introduce themselves before I let you guys know what we do. That's on period. Starting to my left.
Okay, it's your boy James Z, aka J Nasty, aka Plain James. Follow me on all platforms. You know it is what it is.
It's your boy Ernest Metellus, aka Rico Slugger, aka Rico Tubman, aka Rico Lobos, aka Rico got more bars than you. Twitter handle, Instagram handle at Rico Slugger. You good, bro?
Down below.
Right. And last but not least, it's your girl Gerante TV. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all tune in to both of our channels because we live.
Period.
It's where the content is at. Period. And I'm gonna get into it. My social media handles will be down below, so make sure y'all follow y'all girl, future model in the game. Period.
So today we are doing the spicy noodle challenge. I know you guys seen it all over the internet like a couple years ago. We're gonna go ahead and do 2 times spicy. That's what we're doing today.
4 times.
4 times spicy. I'm gonna let you guys know. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys the wrapper, but
Here we go.
so if you guys see it, is it in stores or is it in
Amazon.
All right. Go on Amazon. So if you want to try these noodles, if you want high blood pressure, go ahead and do that. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video.
Bala, get the fin there, my tea, muy bien.
My insides is burning already.
You might as well drink
Well,
the
well,
whole thing.
No, it's because your bowl is
We gotta
smaller.
finish the whole thing.
There's more.
Try to finish the whole thing without drinking water or anything like that.
I heard somebody say hello.
Hold your fork.
Alright, man.
All right, let's get it. Like we already said, it's 4 times spicy collab with Noodle's Room and Gerante TV brought to you. We are bringing the spicy noodle challenge. We got leche
Lemonada.
and ice cream. Don't ask us why we got that. Don't worry about it. You in our business. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
We got the noodles right here. The challenge is everyone has to try to finish their bowl without consuming any of the beverages on the table.
Oh Jesus.
Y'all ready?
Ain't no sauce in this.
Do the first twirl, everybody.
Yeah.
Nice side.
Don't go yet. Do the first twirl.
I ain't gonna put too much.
I got mine.
Y'all going down.
Come on, Rico Slugger, you slowing us down.
Look at this nigga.
I'm good.
All right,
I hope y'all finish.
ready, set, go. Get. Whee. It's in my throat.
Pinch yourself. It's not lawful, dog. It's my body. You don't know what's going on right now.
The kids don't let it touch your
Breathe.
my
You can breathe.
This is the type of stuff that make you sweat. Y'all don't do this at home. What?
Fat ass.
What?
I'm done.
We didn't give him. I'm chilling eating. Did we just say who finished first?
He done, but he gasping for air.
I ain't a cat. I can't breathe.
My chest is on.
Can I get?
It's no way they eat this in China for fun. Or
Get this on
Asians,
Amazon,
excuse
y'all.
me.
Link will be in the description. Link will be in the description box below. When I take breaks, it starts to get hotter. I'm crying. Noodle room, you good?
I don't think so. It's a lot going on in my body right
James
now.
had me ice.
There you go.
All right. We the collabers. What the hell we do?
Fuck all that. I like my health.
I can't do it. I'm hot. James, what you?
Put it in a cup, man.
She get
Here.
That boy needs some milk. He needs some milk. I ain't gonna cap to you.
You good?
Don't throw up over here now. Bro.
I can't even. We need ice. Get some ice, please.
So I wonder. Without consuming anything. You, as soon as you finish, no, you started having ice.
I finished it
It's not who finished first.
Thank Rico on the road because he still hasn't come. I can't even talk. Shut up, man. Shut
Yeah,
up.
technically Rico winning because
I'm chilling though.
you sick. You sick in the head.
That's that Haitian trauma.
I ain't gonna cap. I lost my Haitian card because
Oh.
this is too hot for me.
Noodles room, Gerante. This man took off his shirt, bro. Come on, bro.
Rico, get us some ice, please.
Y'all good.
We the ones doing a collab and we just.
I can't do it, man.
This can't be real, dog.
She said it can't be real.
I'm not even biting. I'm just swallowing the milk.
That's what I'm doing. I can't even bite it.
I better bite this one.
I'm hot.
That's that blood pressure, dog.
Oi! Woo! I ain't gonna lie, Mildred, you might be me, girl, because I can't. I had to sing, y'all. I had to sing,
Oh, Jesus.
me singing was my prayer to the Lord to give me some strength. I ain't real monsters. Y'all give me the boot, because I suck at this. I'm way! Way!
Alright, so who's your first? Damn, I can't talk.
It's Rico right now.
Everything hurts right now.
What is this called?
Get my line.
Doing some bullshit. That's a.
It's called Alright, now come on.
I touched my lip. My lip is on fire. My lip.
Y'all niggas still not done yet?
I'm done.
I don't know if I can take a drink. I'm tired of Rico right now.
I'm good.
Everything is
Jason, go
ready.
get us some ice. We gotta
I'm
make it
good
10
now,
minutes.
I'm
We
good
are
now.
at 8 minutes and 5 seconds.
Yo, baby, I can't speak out. Everything in my mouth is burning.
Ice cream.
By my lip.
Eat the ice cream.
You try to make it at 10 minutes.
Everything in my mouth is burning.
She can't talk. Then they say in elementary school they should put your hands above your head, right?
That's if he was running.
My inside's not ready to wait. I don't think.
That ice not gonna help. The milk does.
Yeah, I you from.
I'm not drinking. I'm just pouring.
Yeah.
Bet I'm drinking the milk. I ain't gonna cap.
I already lost.
That milk help.
I ain't gonna
When do you know? Come on now.
my nose dripping.
No, like you know.
We got 9 minutes. Shut up. You don't
I'm about to
understand.
transform into a Demogorgon. But like, come on.
Not a Demogorgon.
How was your day today, guys?
That's not gonna help.
It's not gonna help at all.
9 minutes and 15 seconds.
I ain't gonna
It's
lie.
actually good. I think I want more.
What?
You're sick.
Yeah.
You're sick.
It was a good little quick man.
Guys, I feel like the room is spinning.
Once you hit your lip, is you done for.
I feel like the room is spinning.
Right?
Let's see what pepper they use.
9 minutes and 40 seconds.
This ain't real, dog. This shit ain't real. Can you put the ice cream away before it start melting?
4,
Put the
3,
ice cream away, man.
2, 1, 10.
I beat her. I ain't taking a drink yet.
I don't care. Oh,
I'm watching Rico. I don't think Rico's gonna take a drink though.
this milk.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Will it be
Listen,
spicy?
if jerk chicken is spicy to y'all, I don't think this for you. Cause
Oh, that's true. James, what was this like for you? What level of spice?
Yeah, that bitch is ridiculous.
You can't compare it to nothing?
Not at all.
Okay, so out of this world for James Rico Slugger, I can't ask you nothing because you chilling. So, but what is this like for you?
I think this is. I don't know. This is probably like. I don't know. This is like Zorion Pique. If you guys ever get Haitian food, Zorion Pique is hot onions, so maybe it's similar, but in soup form.
Listen, for those of
Y'all making Mildred's room ice cream melt.
for those of y'all who
That's the good
think,
one too, right? Take the cookies and cream.
for those who think the Scotch bonnet is hot,
Oh shit.
this don't compare. It don't.
Well,
Anyways, y'all saw the reaction. Mouth is still on fire. I don't know what to tell y'all right now. If you like spicy stuff, be my guest. But don't say we ain't tell y'all. Don't say we ain't tell y'all. But go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Durante TV, Mildred's Room, Rico Slugger, Pace Myself out on all platforms right now.
You did.
So at the end of this video, go ahead and listen to it, buy the song, support my dogs. That's it.
On that note, we out. As a matter of fact, at the end of my video, or maybe both video, you will hear a snippet of Pace Myself. So make sure y'all go out there and stream. Purchase only $1 on iTunes. Support the grind, support the hustle.
$1.
And we are out. Bye. This camera. Now I gotta make sure stuff's safe. Don't try this at home.
It's the nose. It's the nose for me.
Literally.
Child.
Ayo with the mayo.
Took a hiatus, but I came back a chemist. Too much prosthetics in the game, it's hard to stand it. Too much focus on how much Lucy's y'all can hit. Instead, I'm trying to turn my Lucy's into hits. I need a couple M's, no more penny rolls. Should I switch my bag?